Listen, you know that AI can generate images. You probably even know it can make videos now. But what if I told you that you can take one character and instantly generate her from 9 different camera angles at the exact same time? Front view, side view, over the shoulder, close-up, wide shot, all from one generation. And every single angle looks like the same person. No morphing, no weird warping, just pure cinematic control. This completely changes the game for anyone building characters, shooting scenes, or trying to make actual movie-quality content with AI. And it's happening inside ChatGPT right now. Stick with me because I'm about to show you the full workflow, step by step, from one prompt to fully animated, lip-synced, cinematic character shots. And yes, I'll show you the exact tools, prompts, and tricks I'm using. Everything's broken down, nothing held back. So first thing, open up ChatGPT. You're going to click the 2 little lines in the top left corner. That opens the menu. Now click on Images. This takes you to a totally different part of ChatGPT. It's their new image and video generator. And yeah, it's wild. You'll see examples of realistic avatars, cinematic renders, even full AI-generated movie clips. That's what we're building toward. But before we make anything move, we need to lock in our character from every angle. Here's what you do. Upload an image of your character. Could be someone you've already generated. Could be a reference photo. Could be a sketch. Doesn't matter. The tool adapts. Now, here's the key. You're not just asking for different poses. You're going to request what I call a multi-angle character sheet. Basically, you describe exactly which camera perspectives you want. I'm talking front view, left profile, right profile, 3/4 turn, over the shoulder, close up on face, medium shot, wide body shot, low angle or high angle. You list them out in your prompt, then hit generate. And what you get back is a single image with all 9 angles tiled together. It's like a character reference sheet that animators use, except it's photorealistic and made in 10 seconds. Let me show you what that looks like. Look at that. Every angle. Same person, same lighting style, same outfit. This is not 9 separate generations stitched together. This is one AI output that understands spatial consistency. Now, if you don't like the angles it gave you, no problem. Regenerate. Swap one out. Ask for a different pose or expression. The AI listens. And because it's all in one go, the character stays locked in. No drift, no randomness. It's repeatable. All right, so now you've got this beautiful multi-angle sheet, but we can't animate a grid. We need each angle separated. Here's the move most people miss. You go back into the ChatGPT chat window and type. It will crop and export just that first angle as a clean, high-res file. Then you say, and so on, all the way to image 9. You're basically telling the AI to slice up its own output and hand you each piece individually. No need to open Photoshop. No need to use Canva or screenshot and crop. ChatGPT does it for you. Once you've downloaded all 9 angles, you're ready to bring them to life. Now here's where it gets really good. We're taking those static images and turning them into motion. And we're using Kling AI, one of the best video generators available right now. You access it through a platform called OpenArt. Open your browser. Doesn't matter if you're on desktop or mobile. Go to openart.ai, sign in. Then click on Video in the top menu. Make sure you toggle on Image to Video. Then select Kling 1.0 as your model. That's the one with the most realistic motion and the best character consistency right now. We're not using an end frame today. We don't need it. Just the start image and a motion prompt. Here's what you do for each angle. 1. Upload the image, one of the 9 you extracted. 2. Write a short motion prompt. Something like, she turns her head slowly and smiles. She exhales and looks to the left. Camera pushes in as she crosses her arms. 3. Set the duration to 5 seconds. You don't need long clips. We're cutting between angles like a real film. 4. Hit create. In about 30 to 60 seconds, you'll get back a smooth, realistic animation. Her expression shifts, her body moves, the lighting stays consistent. It looks like something shot on a real camera. Do this for each of the 9 angles. Yes, it takes a few minutes, but you're building an entire character performance from multiple perspectives. That's the kind of thing that used to require a full production team. Here's what one of those clips looks like. She's talking, she's emoting, the angle is locked. Now imagine cutting between all 9 of these in sequence. You're not just making a video, you're directing a scene. Now we bring it all together. Open CapCut. It's free and it works on desktop and mobile. Start a new project. Import all your video clips, then drop them on the timeline in whatever order makes sense for your scene. Maybe you open with a wide shot, cut to a close-up, switch to profile, back to front. You're building rhythm. You're building tension. You're making people want to keep watching. Here's a pro tip. Don't make every clip the same length. Some should be quick, like 1 or 2 seconds. Others can breathe for 4 or 5. That variation is what makes it feel cinematic instead of robotic. Now add sound. I'm talking background music that matches the mood. Something subtle, something that builds. Sound effects like footsteps, breathing, ambient room tone. These make it feel real. For example, if your character is walking into a room, add the sound of heels on tile. You can find that in CapCut's built-in sound library. Just search heels walking or footsteps echo. Drag it onto the timeline and line it up with the motion. If you want the music to fade in, click the audio track, then tap fade at the bottom. Set it to fade in over the first second or 2. Same thing at the end. Fade out as the scene closes. Small details like this make a massive difference in how polished your video feels. And here's a bonus move. Add a black screen at the end with the sound fading out. It gives the viewer a moment to process what they just saw. It feels intentional. It feels like a trailer. Now, export. You've just created a multi-angle, fully animated cinematic character scene. And you did it without a camera, without actors, without a studio. If you want to take it even further, you can make your character speak. And I'm not talking about robotic text-to-speech. I'm talking about realistic lip sync that matches actual dialogue or narration. For this, I use a tool called WaveSpeed AI, or sometimes HeyGen, depending on the project. The process is simple. 1. Upload your video clip. 2. Upload your audio file. Could be your voice, AI voice, whatever. 3. Let the tool analyze and sync the lips to the speech. 4. Download the result. Even if the face is turned at an angle, even if it's a profile shot, the sync holds up. The AI understands facial geometry well enough to make it work. And when you cut between multiple angles, all with accurate lip sync, it looks like something out of a Netflix series. Seriously. Now, I showed you how to do this starting with an image you already have. But what if you don't have a character yet? What if you just want to describe someone and get all 9 angles from scratch? You can do that too. Go back into ChatGPT's image generator. This time, don't upload anything. Just write a detailed prompt like, create a character reference sheet with 9 different camera angles of a 30-year-old woman with short black hair, wearing a leather jacket and jeans, standing in a minimalist studio with neutral lighting. Include front view, left profile, right profile, 3/4 turn, close-up, medium shot, wide shot, over the shoulder, and low angle. Hit generate, and boom, there's your full character sheet. Photorealistic, consistent across every angle, ready to extract and animate. You can get as specific as you want. Change the outfit, change the setting, change the mood. The AI adapts. And because it's all generated in one pass, the character stays unified. This is huge for creators building original characters, short films, visual novels, or even marketing content. You're not limited by stock footage anymore. You're not waiting on illustrators or 3D artists. You can prototype and produce fast. Let me zoom out for a second. What we just did is not just making AI art. We built a production pipeline. We created a character. We generated multiple perspectives. We animated each one. We edited them together with sound and pacing. We made something that feels real. And here's the thing. Most people are still using AI to make one-off images and calling it a day. But if you understand angles, if you understand motion, if you understand editing, you can make content that actually competes with professional studios. That's where the opportunity is. That's where the money is. Because brands need this. Filmmakers need this. Educators, marketers, storytellers, they all need characters and scenes that don't cost $10,000 to produce. And if you can deliver that, you're not just playing with AI. You're running a legitimate creative service. And if you want to learn how to monetize this stuff the right way, how to find clients, how to package your work, how to scale it into real income, that's exactly what I break down in my school community. Links in the description. We go deep, we build together, and I show you everything I don't have time to cover in a 10-minute YouTube video. So yeah, ChatGPT can do way more than most people realize. You can generate full character sheets. You can animate them. You can cut between angles like a real director. And you can do all of this without leaving your bedroom. If you're serious about creating with AI, whether it's for fun, for storytelling, or for business, this is the kind of workflow that separates beginners from pros. So, try it out. Build your own character, experiment with angles, add sound, add motion, add life. And if you want more tutorials like this, hit subscribe. I post every week, and trust me, we're just getting started. Thanks for watching. Now go create something incredible.